Hello and welcome back to another video, Maxi, and today we are back with another crypto video. Today I am dropping huge, what can I call it? A project, ladies and gentlemen, that has still yet to announce a launch date. But again, because I told you guys, I'm always bringing you the highest, the best projects to invest in. Again, non-financial advice. But this one is kind of a different thing that I haven't done before. I usually talk videos about BSC, talk videos about Ethereum, talk videos about Pulse chain. I would call myself a Pulse chain Maxi right now. BSC, I'm kind of done with it. I gotta be honest with you guys, you know what I mean? But I still invest here and there. But today we're bringing something else that is very different. Ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about a project that has literally 268 members, all right? That I think yesterday was around 3 members, okay? This is super like low key. And I'm glad to be making a video about this, and it is called Base Drip. Yes and no, it is not a drip fork, it's a drip like. I like the wording that they did here. First drip like protocol, not a drip fork. It's a drip like protocol. So I'm assuming they're going to take the best parts of a drip that worked and they're going to build on top of it from scratch. So they've only taken concept and inspiration, nothing copy and paste. I love it. And these are people, guys, behind it. They are Doxxed. They have done a project before and much more. But one of the projects they've done before, I believe, is called Base Drop. I actually wrote it down right here because I have some notes to be telling you guys. I think it's called DropLit, and they've done obviously much more. So yeah, the people behind it is Doxxed as well. So I've been watching actually his video. It's called DeFi Proof, and yeah, I've been in the Telegram. Everyone's super welcoming. A lot of OG YouTubers are there as well. So it's nice to see myself with them as well. But today we're going to be kind of reviewing, what is Base Drip going to be about. And what is the Base network? Because that's kind of the whole different thing. It is something new. Even myself, to me, I don't really use Coinbase, but I'm going to start using Coinbase because at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, I've been using Binance as my centralized exchange for 2 years now, and maybe it's about time for me to have another backup centralized exchange. It's always good to have multiple off ramps / on ramps, right? Just in case anything can happen. I live in the UK, right, and these regulations are updating every now and again. Like sometimes I have to call my bank to tell them, hey, yeah, I want to deposit this and that. They ask me 10 questions, and some of them they even straight out decline me to allow certain transactions to go through. Anyways, that's the point. Today we're going to be talking about Base Drip, ladies and gentlemen. As you guys already know, this will be an ROI, daily ROI DApp, decentralized app ROI, return of investment that will give you 1% a day. Okay, I think anything more than this becomes too much, and 1% a day, that's one thing that I really like about this, right? This hasn't launched. They will make a pre-sale very soon, and obviously guys, you guys gonna know that I'm gonna be making a video if there is any date announcements or any other updates, new updates within 24 hours of that update being released. So you want to subscribe to this channel, guys. I'm almost at, well, actually I did pass 2,000 subscribers, so yeah, thank you for subscribing. But subscribe for more videos about Pulse Chain and potentially Base Network. Now, if you guys didn't know, and I didn't know, literally 2 hours ago, within a day ago, I didn't know about Base Network. But here it is. We're going to talk about a little bit about what is Base Network and why this can be actually quite a huge thing. I think I'm kind of steering towards becoming a Pulse Chain Maxi and a Base Network Maxi at this point, right? I love both networks. I'm going to start investing more into Base network projects as well. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So yeah, here it is. Base is a secure, low-cost, builder-friendly Ethereum layer 2 built to bring the next billion users on chain. Yes, so this is built on top of Ethereum as a layer 2, right? So this obviously being layer 2 makes a lot of sense because literally the transactions are less than 1 cent, and we can confirm this. Like if I just refresh, this is the blockchain explorer. I'm gonna leave all the links to all these in the description. We look at the latest transaction and literally $0.06, ladies and gentlemen. Very cheap. We love this. This is also very good for scalability, taking the best parts of Ethereum and putting it on a layer 2, and it's just lovely. And the next part is that this is scaled by Coinbase, ladies and gentlemen. This is backed by Coinbase, guys. Whew, that's good. as security, ladies and gentlemen. This is actually a very, very high potential. I'm very interested to see how they play this out, right? Because this network can become a KYC network. I've never thought about that concept before, but I was speaking with some people in a voice chat, and they said that this could become a KYC, a Doxxed network. This could be the network that bridges the real world to the crypto world by making it, semi-regulated, which will then have those big investors with money that they just want to throw in projects and invest. They'd be welcomed to a network like this, especially that we got Coinbase right here. Base is an easy way for decentralized apps to leverage Coinbase's products and distribution. Seamless Coinbase integrations, easy fiat on-ramps, and access to the 130 billion assets on the platform in the Coinbase ecosystem. Obviously, this is open source. Love it. Big features, small fees. Get the EVM environment at a fraction of the cost. Get early access to Ethereum features like account abstraction. Interesting. Simple developer APIs for gasless transactions and smart contract wallets. Amazing. And obviously, Ethereum layer 2 base is built on Ethereum layer 2 with security, scalability, and stability. You need the power and the stability you need to power your dApps. Okay. Confidently deploy any EVM code base and on-ramp your users and assets from Ethereum layer 1, Coinbase, and other interoperable chains. Lovely. The best of Ethereum, but 10 times cheaper. This is really sick, based on 90-day average. So wow, this is actually like true facts right here, and it's empowered by Coinbase. This is really amazing, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy to be reporting this to you guys. The other thing I wanted to let you guys know, because it will be helpful, because I'm going to use this. A lot of us right now watching this video, we are new also to the Base network, and if you are, drop a comment. Let me know what you think of Base network. Is it going to be the next big thing? I don't know. Let me know. But I'm going to leave a link in the description below to the bridge. I'm going to leave this website where you can obviously connect, move your Ethereum to wrapped Ethereum on the Base network, or Base Ethereum, whatever you call it. Okay. I'm also going to leave the DEX for Base network. It's called Base Swap. I really like the name Base network because it implies this is base, or this is based, right? So yeah, and the good thing, guys, honestly, about this, and by the way, they do have a Twitter, which I'm leaving in the description as well. Follow their Twitter and follow my Twitter. Yeah, thank you. They have 68 followers, so very brand new. And there you go. Welcome to our Base Drip Telegram community. Join us for exciting conversations and connections, get updates, and more. Your presence is valued. Let's make this space inviting for all. Welcome. Lovely. Again, I'm going to leave their Telegram link in the description, and look at it. I love, by the way, the design. Blue is such an inviting color, and obviously that drip comes from the main BSC drip. Forex is a BSC drip. And the good thing as well, ladies and gentlemen, is that here in the chat you see a lot of actual BSC drip maxis arriving in the chat, and that's what I like. Okay, everyone is welcomed. I don't get this whole thing where people are saying like you have to be stuck with drip. This is why I've never really uploaded another video about BSC drip. Okay, it's just because people feel like if I invest in any other project, you're betraying drip. Guys, remember, this is crypto. It's a solo sport. What's the whole point of jumping into drip network? Okay, in the beginning, which, by the way, drip has been a success. Yes, it has fallen to basically nothing right now, but nevertheless, don't take away that drip has been a success, a tremendous success, thanks to Forex. And I'm looking forward to what Forex's projects in the future will be, not related to drip. I'm done with drip and Animal Farm and all that, so hopefully Forex starts something else, but that's besides the point. But my point is, the whole point of us jumping into projects is to make money. So I don't get people saying, oh, you don't invest in another thing, oh, you're leaving drip, I don't know, there's some drama. At the end of the day, we're all here to make money, so you can invest in as much as projects as possible. I'm never gonna think of you any different. Oh, why are you betraying us some type of way? It's a solo sport. As I said, we're here to make money. If someone is complaining, oh, why you, for example, claiming every single day, if the smart contract allows you to do that, you're playing by the game. Don't hate the player, bro. hit the game. That's the way it is. We're gonna see what they're gonna handle. Basically, we're gonna see how they're gonna handle, daily claimers. You're gonna tax them heavily. That's all we can do, right? And whatever other mechanisms they have. At the end of the day, we're all here to make money, but you wanna also keep in mind to not be short-term. To have your short-term gratification or your greed play in, right? There's obviously disciplines that plays into this, because there's going to be small winners, there's going to be big winners, and there's going to be losers, right? Losers are people who come in either late, small winners are going to be people who just want to cash out early. Big winners are people who are early and don't want to cash out early as well, right? So early movers advantage, and they're compounding because they want to delay their gratification and greed, and keep that multiplier, because you never know what base drip is going to be. Hey, is it going to be a 30x, a 50x? You never know. So if we, for example, I'm just going to this is just if you invested, let's say something, this is how much I'm probably going to invest, right? 250, and it did a 30, let's say 30x. It'll be worth $7,500, right? And if you take 1% of that, I'll be making $75 a day with my initial $250 deposit, right? Which is crazy. So 75 times 30, that's how much I'm making a month, right? This is if you claim every single day, but that's not really good. And I've always said that it's better to, claim on the third day. So let's say, I'll be doing compound, claim, right? Because you want to increase your maximum payouts while increasing your you want to increase your maximum payouts so it's higher, way higher, or at least it's growing at a slightly quicker rate than your total total claimed. It's kind of a kind of confusing thing to describe without showing you illustrations. I made a video about it, which is in Pulse Strip. Pulse Strip, again, I love that project. Anyways, so this would actually realistically, with my strategy, it would be 33% of that, which would be $742, ladies and gentlemen, with you compounding and claiming every third day. This is how much you're making. So with you playing smart, you're still making bank. Okay, this is huge potential right here, guys. Huge potential. As I said, I don't make this video too long. I will make updates video on Base Strip. I love the name, love the network. I'm going to be learning more about it. I'm going to leave all the links in the description, to the Twitter, to the Telegram, to the bridge, to the swap, and to the Chain Explorer if you guys want to. And as well to the Base network. Learn more about it. I'm gonna make more videos teaching you guys about Base network as I learn as well, so let me know if you'd like that. Aside from that, ladies and gentlemen, subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a like. Are you excited for Base Drip? Where did you come from? Where did you hear this video? I would like to hear your thoughts. Send me a link or send me a DM over my Telegram at Coolite. I'm gonna leave that in the description where you can send me any projects you want me to talk about, or any questions you have. Aside from that, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys have a nice rest of your day, evening, night, wherever you are. My name is DJ Khaled. I said it for 3 times. Jeez. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.